Good morning all. So today I want to explain the chemistry assignment. So structure of atom. In this, the first question is the 20 quantum numbers. So predicting the all values of 20 quantum numbers, 20th element of all 4 quantum numbers. That means all 20 electrons quantum numbers. So the 20th electron is calcium. So 20 calcium. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. So here 1s1. So the all 4 quantum numbers n, l, m and s. All the 4 quantum numbers I want to write one by one. So here 1s1, 1s2, 2s1, 2s2, so 3s1, 3s2, 3s2, like that. 4s1, sorry, 3s2 tarvata 3p1, so 3px2, so 3py1, 3py2, 3pz1, 3pz2 and 4s1 and 4s2. So these all 4 quantum numbers. So I want to write. So this is the question. This is the question. So you know this is the electronic configuration. This is in the form of NLX method. NLX method. So where n is a principal quantum number. Where n is a principal quantum number. L is azimuthal quantum number. The x is the number of electrons. So here what is n value? 1, L value 0 and m value 0. Spin is plus off. And 1 is 2. L value, n value 1, L value 0 plus 0 minus off. And n value 2, L value 0 plus 0 plus off. So 2, 0, 0 minus off. So 3, 0, 0 plus off. So 3, 0, 0 minus off. So n value is 1 and L value is 0 and m value is 0 and s value. So one electron is anti-clockwise direction and another electron is clockwise direction. So here n value is 3, n value is 3. So here p value is 1. For px, so we are taking minus off, this is plus off. And 3, 1, minus 1, minus off. So 3py, 3, 1, so plus 1, plus off. So 3, 1, plus 1, minus off. So 3pz, 3, 1, 3, 1, 0, plus off. So 3, 1, 0, minus off. And 4s1, 1, 0, 0, plus off. And here 4, 0, 0, minus off. So these are the quantum numbers. That means the 20th electron, all the electron quantum numbers. So 1, 0, 0 plus off, 1, 0, 0 minus off, 2, 0, 0 plus off, 2, 0, 0 minus off, 3, 0, 0 plus off, 3, 0, 0 minus off, 3, 1, 1 plus off, 3, 1 minus off, plus off, 3, 1 plus off, plus 1 plus off, 3, 1 plus 1 minus off, 3, 1, 0 plus off, 3, 1, 0 minus off, 400 plus of 400 minus. That means by this method, so we are finding all 4 quantum numbers. That means the position of each electron, all electrons position by using all the 4 quantum numbers. This is first question answer. And the next second question is, the differences between orbit and orbital. 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 So orbit concept introduced by the scientist name is Niels Bohr. The scientist name is Niels Bohr. So here this concept is introduced by Schrödinger. So it is a two-dimensional concept. It is a two-dimensional concept, whereas it is a three-dimensional concept. So the definition of orbit is the path where electron is revolving around the nucleus, revolving around the nucleus. Here the maximum probability of finding electrons. That means it is a place where the probability of finding electron is maximum. Then that is called orbital. So here, this means the orbitals can be represented by capital K, capital M, capital M, capital N. Whereas 1, 2, 3, 4. But here, these orbitals can be represented by S, P, D, F. So these are the differences between orbit and orbital. This is a second question answer. This is a second question answer. And the third question is, draw the shapes of orbitals. Draw the shapes of orbitals whose L value is 1. Whose L value is 1. Whose L value is 1. So L value is 1 means that is a p orbital. That is p orbital. So p orbitals we have this type of shape. Shape is dumbbell. The shape is dumbbell. So here the three axis, x axis, y axis, z axis. So px means the electron cloud on the x axis, the electron cloud on the x axis. X, y, z. So this is py. So the electron cloud on the y axis, the electron cloud on the y axis. So x axis, y axis, z axis. So this is a pz. So the electron cloud on z axis, the electron cloud on z axis. That means the orientation of electrons in the x axis is px, y axis is py, and z axis is pz. Right? So this is about the shapes of p orbital. That means L is equal to 1 value shapes. And next question is, so he given subshells, and he given number of orbitals, 2l plus 1, and maximum number of electrons, and maximum number of electrons, 3 columns here. The subshells are like this. So S, L is equal to 0, and P, L is equal to 1, and D, L is equal to 2, and F, L is equal to 3. So the number of electrons, 2L plus, substitute the L value is 0. So how many? 1. Maximum number of electrons, that means, so 2 into 2L plus 1, 2 into 2L plus 1 electrons. So here maximum 2 electrons. So here 3. maximum 6 electrons. Here maximum 5 orbitals. The total number of electrons 10. So here maximum 7 orbitals. The total number of is 14. So when L is equal to 0, the maximum number of orbitals are 1 and the maximum number of electrons are 2. When L is equal to 1, the maximum number of orbitals are 3 and the maximum number of electrons is 6. When L is equal to 2, the maximum number of orbitals is 5 and the maximum number of electrons is 10. When L is equal to 3, the maximum number of orbitals is 7 and the maximum number of electrons are 14. So these are the answers of this assignment. Thank you.